Hello, welcome back to Miraculous Accounting Tutorials. And today we'll be looking at accounting equation. Okay, so I would like you to go back to the previous video. We've looked at accounting equation before, so that you can understand what we have done previously, so that you won't be confused. Whatever thing we'll be doing here today. Okay, so we'll be looking at an illustration problem here. Jimmy Electronics Company has assets of 57,000 naira and liabilities of 23,000 naira. Find equity. Jimmy Electronics Company has assets of 57,000 naira and liabilities of 23,000 naira. Find what? Equity. Okay, so at this point we are going to find equity, but don't be confused of the word here, equity. It's called owner's equity, and it's the same thing as what? Capital, like what you know already. Okay, capital, I say, is original money used in starting up what? A business. But here we're going to say that equity or owner's equity is simply what? An owner investment in an asset after liability has been what? Deducted. It's simply what? An owner investment in an asset after liabilities have been what? Deducted. We can say it is the difference between the number of assets and the value of liabilities, which help the owner to know the amounts or to know what he owns after debt has been paid. It helps the owner to know what he owns after payment of debt has been made. Okay, so we'll be solving this problem using this same accounting word equation. So solution. We're going to analyze it first to get everything we need to get to solve the question. So we have the asset has been given. Jimmy Electronics Company has assets of 57,000 naira. So we have 57,000 naira as the asset of this business. And we have the next one to be liabilities. Liabilities of 23,000 naira. So what he was owing to outsiders, or what he owed to outsiders, amounted to 23,000 naira. And the question says find equity. We have to find what? Equity. Let's call it owner's what? Equity. That is the same thing as capital. I put it in brackets so that you always recall. Find equity. So equity is not given, so you put a question mark here to identify that's what we are looking for. So using the same accounting equation, assets equals to capital. In brackets here we have owner's equity plus liability. Asset here is 57,000 naira. Capital, which is owner's equity, has not been given, so we are going to look for that. But liabilities has been given, okay, which is 23,000 naira. 23,000 naira. The naira sign there. 23,000 naira. So we're going to make the owner's equity the subject formula for this accounting equation. Okay, so owner's equity is equals to assets now, which is 57,000 naira. 57,000 naira minus. Now the plus sign changes what? To what? A minus sign. When a plus sign crosses an equal sign, it changes to what? A minus what? Sign. So if 7,000 naira minus 23,000 naira. Okay. Now when you punch a calculator, this minus this will give you what? 34,000 naira. So we've gotten our owner's equity as what? 34,000 naira. Notice that we have created an equation for owner's equity or perhaps capital. Okay, so the equation we created for owner's equity here is simply what? Owner's equity is equal to what? Asset minus liabilities. So you can always recall this equation if you're asked to find equity or owner's what? Equity. Alright, so thank you very much and do have a nice day. We're sorry for today. If you have any problem, if you don't understand anything, please make sure you click on the comment box. I'll be there to reply, or you send me an email, I'll reply you.